not gonna be before you long.
Hi, I'm Rachel from the Artless Life, and I'm just here so we can talk about these Microlocs. You know what I'm saying?
I just wanted to come in here and talk to my girls and my guys who are thinking about locking their hair.
And they may wonder, are Microlocs high maintenance? The short answer is no. So I could have started off with a hair turn. Now, when you start off in the beginning, when your hair is still has not been established or your hair itself is still soft, it does require more attention because braiding and banding is necessary. In the very beginning, though I didn't braid and band as long as I probably should have or physician would recommend, but in the very beginning, braiding and banding is necessary. Girl, I'm trying to think, what else? Braiding and banding is necessary. And your resize. That's my personal experience. But now that I'm 2 years in, there are 3 things that are the reasons why I feel like Microlocs are not high maintenance. And I'll say the thing that requires the most maintenance to the end, which if you watch any of my videos or if you are a lot girly, you already know the answer. When it comes to the washing of your hair, even if you're in the beginning stage, you braid and band and wash your hair. If you choose to condition. I don't condition my hair. I just wash it 2 or 3 times. And that's all it takes. If you work out a lot, you sweat a lot, wash your hair. I still haven't figured out what I do afterward, but that's a whole other video. Washing your hair doesn't take all day. Number 1, washing your hair doesn't take a long routine. Washing your hair doesn't take a lot of products. While washing of my hair, I have a clarifying shampoo and then a shampoo that smells good. 9 times out of 10, it's a hydrating or moisturizing shampoo. That's all I use. Others have different routines. As you go along, you'll find your own way of doing things. But for my way of doing things, that's all it takes for me to wash my hair and be back set. I don't have to wash my hair every week. Like as a loose natural, I had to wash my hair every week because by the end of the week, the gel done loosened up, flaked up, style is looking a little rough, and then it took forever to detangle, and then I had to do. It was a whole lot of. And so maintenance of washing my hair with locks is just much more convenient for me. That's not high maintenance, in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments. Number 2, styling. Okay, now for me, I choose to style my hair every day when I go to work because for me it's fun. It's something I look forward to. I'm curious about what my locks can look like. I like to see the different ways that I can style my hair, even in the quick few seconds that I have to get it done and get out the door. That's something that I like to do for me, for Rachel. You also have the option of bun it off and go, because I do that in the morning too. Like literally, bun it off and go. It doesn't require every day being sprayed unless you want to. Not in the beginning though, not in the very beginning. You don't need to spray your hair every day. But it doesn't require anything really. You can literally take your bonnet off and go. I think I have a video where one morning I was in such a hurry. I was like, this is bonnet and go out. This is a bonnet off and go type day. Then you're done. You still look good. If you want to put somewhere, you could do whatever you want to. But when it comes down to necessity, you do not have to do anything to your hair every morning. Bonnet off and go is an option. So for me, that makes it to be not high maintenance. Early on, when you're establishing your locks, you will have to, take down your braids, that type of thing in the morning. But like I said, I stopped doing that because that was too much for me. I just tied my hair down twice because because in my mind, the point of braiding and banding was to keep your hair from rubbing and that type of thing. Do you agree? My lock girlies, do you agree with the maintenance of styles. It's not necessary. You can bond it off and go and still be cute. What we talking about? The only thing that I can consider high maintenance on Microlocs is, you already know, the reties. For me as a DIYer, my reties take longer than it would, of course, if I were sitting in a chair with a loctician. But for me, my hair is just something, me in general, like I literally DIY everything. These nails are DIY. You know what I'm saying? Something that I've always done. And so that's why I just take the time to do my hair myself. I'm proud of what I've done so far. Is it perfect? No. But did I do it? Yes. There's a few reasons why I don't consider Microlocs high maintenance. I do consider them, my consideration and my context, I do consider them a low maintenance style. You can easily pay somebody to do your hair if you can afford that. And that'd be all the maintenance that you really have to do. But for me, I don't see it as a high maintenance style. So if you made it to the end of this video, feel free to put a real heart in the comments to let me know. I appreciate you. I thank you for your continued support. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe so we can grow together. Thank you for your time. Bye.
Look what I found.